I had the good fortune of visiting Lightsey Family Ranch and doing some quail hunting. Absolutely fantastic. The ranch itself is world class. The Lightsey family, just wonderful. The food, out of this world. Just everything about the day was magnificent. The property's beautiful. Even the buggies they take you around on are just, top notch. Had an excellent guide. His name was Hunter, who just got us into a bunch of birds, worked the dogs wonderfully, and between me and my shooting buddy, got 34. So now I thought I'd show you how I cooked them up. Just kind of made it up as I went along. Okay, so I'm preparing the quail that I shot today. What I do is I separate the legs from the breast. I put them together like that, and then I wrap them in a piece of bacon, and then I secure with a toothpick, and then these will go on the grill. Place them on the grill here. I'm going to try to cook them low and slow, see how that go. Okay, I just flipped them. I'm really keeping the grill at about 350. Okay, these are getting very close to being done. I did allow the grill to get up to, actually it was a little over 400, just to get a little bit better browning. They're very close. I'm going to cook them to 165 internal temperature. All right, so here's the quail that's been done. So the moment of truth now, I'm going to try it, see how it tastes. I cooked it at 165. Wow. Very tender and moist. Fantastic. No gaminess. All right. Success. What do you guys think?
Really good.
Pretty good, huh?
10 out of 10.